Welcome back. Yesterday we have delete our post through this code. That was a delete method we have sent through post ID, but we want to delete by another way, and that is request params. So how can we delete through request params? Request URL. Say if I send something like that way as a parameter, URL parameter, so how can we delete? So this is the code I will make. I'm making you understand, and you see this. We got it as a request JSON. We have discussed it several times, so I think you have understood it. Now it's time to receive it as a request params or request URL. So request params is basically Express.js term or Node.js term, as it is serverless routes. So you will receive it as a URL, request URL. Okay. So if and another thing is very simple. If we don't find any post, we will say invalid post ID. Then we will find index. If the index is minus, if we don't find index, find nothing, it will return -1, and then it will say page not found. And existing data we will filter out as we are deleting, and this is the error portion. Okay. So can you understand the difference? Previously we have sent as a request body. You see, request body or request JSON. I am talking about request express, request body or request JSON. But right now we will send by request params or request URL. So I am removing this, and we will able to delete the post. Okay. So by this way, we are learning how to send request URL or request params. Let's go. And if I want to delete post 1, it's already I have tested as it is deleted, so it is not there. So I'm requesting delete to post 2. So if I sending, you see post 2 is not there. We have only 3 and 4. So can you understand? So if I console log this, console.log, this is very easy code. URL and post ID. If I find post ID, console.log post ID. Let's see what we are getting. So I'm sending once again. We have on 3 excuse me, we have on 3 and 4. On 2 is not there. Okay. So post ID, and we see we got the URL. Okay, URL in the URL search param. You see the search param. Search param, we are getting the post ID. So if you console log, you will easily understand. So in the URL, we are getting the post ID 2. So if I delete post ID 3, let's see what will happen. Post ID 3 is not there, and come here, it will post ID 3. Okay, so we have understood both things, how we can get data through request JSON. I mean request JSON, but in Node.js and Express it is called request.body, request.body, and we are getting request URL, and Next.js it is called request.params. So as it is serverless, it bit different, but functionality are same. So we are getting the data as a URL parameter, okay, as a params. post id 3. So I hope that will make sense. If you delete 4, 4 will gone. Okay, 4 is not there. If you record 1, so you are sending data as a URL and you are receiving it over here, and I have shown you how we are receiving. You see, you are receiving by this way. You are getting 1. I have sent 1. Okay, so this is the request params or request URL. So in Next.js Express it is called request params, but in Next.js 15 API routes it is called request URL. And if you get it as a request body, it is called request JSON. So I hope that will make sense. If you don't understand, please let me know. I will make you understand, and hit the comment button. Okay, thank you very much. And I am removing the console log as we are done. Okay, so in the next tutorial we will discuss about the middle layer. Okay, thank you very much. See you soon.